How to draw trend lines for cryptocurrency trading. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can draw a trend line for cryptocurrency trading and what are some of the measures or things you need to keep in mind before you go on ahead and try to, begin trading or begin drawing trend lines. So let's get into it. Now, trend lines are lines that can enable you to indicate a certain trend, and you can only indicate or specify a certain trend if you know what kind of token you are looking at, first off. Secondly, what kind of trade are you looking to make? So trend lines for someone that is looking to do day-to-day trades. So if you're a daily trader, if you're doing daily trades, then your trend lines are going to be different than a trader that is a long-term investor or that is doing monthly trades or that is doing, different types of trades. So depending on the time period of the exchange that you want to do, your trend lines will differ, because trend lines for 15 minutes are most definitely going to be different than those of 1 day or 1 week. The second most important thing whenever you are looking to draw trend lines is to actually establish whether there is a trend or not. So if you are a intraday trader, so you trade within the day, your goal is to make a profit by the end of the day. Then you're going to be taking a look at 1-hour trading charts or 15-minute trading charts, simply because you want to be able to take a look at the trend. So if I have this 15-minute chart for Bitcoin over here, so this is showing me there is not a distinct trend. So the price has gone down, it went back up, and then it went back down, but then got back up. So I would not actually draw any trade lines within this segment over here. Now, if I change this to the 1-hour trade, now in the 1-hour trade, the price is relatively stable once more. You can see this was the high and this is the current low, but it still is relatively stable. So it's very essential that you have a good idea of where to actually mark a trend and where certain things are just, a basic fluctuation in price. Now, to draw a trend line, you can see you can open any token of your choice. So let's say I search for a different token. So I'm going to open up ETH over here. And once I open up ETH, you can see this is the 1-day chart. Now, within the 1-day chart, I can see there's a distinct trend of the price going down, simply because although it did go back up, mostly the price has fallen down. So to create lines, to draw those actual lines on the graph, you can see on the bottom left, you have a very tiny arrow or beside your graph, just beside these price points right over here. You have this arrow. Just click on this and this will open up your tool section, and you have a cursor, cross cursor, and a trend line. So you will click on the trend line, and let's say we want this to be in a white color so you guys can see, and then you can choose the thickness as well. And now I can see this was the peak price, and then the price has steadily fallen down to this point. So this is the current point around here. And this is going to be indicative for me to see that there is a overarching trend of the price going down. Now, this trend line is actually indicating a trend. It is a trend within the day that the price is going down. Now, if I move this from the 1-day chart to the 4-hour chart, you can see that in the 4-hour chart, the price is actually going up. So that is why I was telling you guys that depending on the type of trade that you are doing, the trend lines are going to differ very, very severely. So first off, you can make an extended trade line, you can make a cross line, parallel channel, a price line, a horizontal line as well. So I just want to make a simple trend line. And you can see if you're a intraday trader where you're trading, minute by minute, then for a person that is a intraday trader, the trend line is going to be going up for the past 4 hours. It has been going up. Now, if I move to the past 15 minutes, the price has gone down again. So depending on the trading perspective. Now, the 15-minute chart does not have that large of a variability. So I would go back to the 1-hour chart and I would expect the price to go down, because within the past hour, the price has consistently gone down. And you also have your 1-second chart to see second by second what the current trend is, so you're able to catch up. You can do this for any token. It's very simple and easy, and as I showed you guys, this is a simple toolbox that you get on the Binance Crypto Charts. You will get the same toolbox on any other cryptocurrency platform as well, Bybit or any other crypto exchange that you are using. You can find similar features to draw trend lines. So if I go with the second by second one, you can see the price is going up. So I would open up the 15-minute one, just to zoom in a little, and I would see, the price is going up, but currently it's still not a trend. So you want to make sure that you are able to differentiate between a simple price fluctuation and a persistent trend for a price. So you can open up a weekly chart and you can just mark any random lines you want. So I will open up the trend lines over here, and you can mark any two lines. You can be like, oh, this is a trend and this is a trend. So you can mark anything you want, but just because you marked a line does not mean it's an actual trend. So you want to be very particular about where you are placing these lines and how you are going to use this information. Now, trend lines are super important to gather information to be able to predict the price. And not only is this helpful in a spot market, obviously in the spot market, this is a good way to just know what cryptocurrencies you want to be trading. But in the futures market, so if I go into the derivative sections and go into USDM futures, so in futures market, so you are mostly just betting on the price of a item. So you're betting whether or not the price will go up and down. And to be able to distinguish a trend, so whether or not the price will go up or down, is going to be super helpful in a futures market. So that is why it is so essential to learn how to predict a trend or how to foresee a trend as it is happening. So this is how simple and easy it is. Now, Binance is not only amazing and simple to just create or read graphs or charts. Binance has also simplified purchasing cryptocurrency trading using basic conversions. Not only that, but every platform offers trading, but now Binance also offers you financing and earning methods as well. So you can also do long-term investments, dual investments, and yield farming, and so much more on their platform. Plus, you can also buy NFTs on their platform. So in general, Binance is an amazing platform for you to be able to predict trades and to be able to see the trend of the crypto market. Obviously, the more people are buying NFTs, the more the NFT space is growing, the more likely it is that the prices of crypto are going up. So in this way, there are a lot of different other factors as well that go into the play of the price of any crypto token. So by using the platform, which is all inclusive, you will be able to predict all these trends more accurately and see the second by second or minute by minute effect. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.